Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So the first one looks like she might honestly be making a table. Oh yeah, this is definitely a table design. Oh, I love the color she's using. Oh wow, that came out amazing, very cute. And then we have someone doing some artwork here. Now she's using tape in order to create a nice little design. Beautiful gold paint. Doing like a sponging technique. I feel like painting is so therapeutic too, so I know creating this was a lot of fun. Oh, she's adding glitter. Oh wow, very nice. And you got yourself a unique piece of art, very cool. Alright, so next up we have these dollar store napkin holders, some gems. Now I remember seeing a similar project before, and they made some wall sconces with these kind of designs. I wonder if she's doing a replication of that DIY. Oh yeah, it looks like that's what she's doing. Oh, she kind of put her own spin on it though. She has like a mirror here. Oh, these are cute. Oh, wow. Oh, I love the mirror design. She has two going there. Oh, this is beautiful. Very cool. And it looks like we have another artwork piece. This one is fall inspired. Now, it is now officially July, and people are already decorating for Halloween in the fall. Can you guys believe that? Like, I've seen videos on YouTube pop up on my timeline talking about early decorating for fall. I was like, what? Are we decorating for fall in July now? Like, what is happening? Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, she's adding some wording to this. Welcome fall. This is cute. So you make like your own little fall decor sign. Very nice. Oh, okay. Somebody is going to try to make these chairs. This should be interesting. Oh, looks like she bought the chairs and maybe she's just gonna spray paint the legs. I wonder if you could make these though. If you took like a pool noodle, could you replicate the shape? Because it looks like something you could create. But yeah, it looks like she got the legs black and then she's gonna spray paint them gold. Now I've done this before. You buy a chair and you want the legs to be gold, you just buy the spray paint and paint them. Nice way to elevate your decor so it matches more of your style. Now this is definitely my aesthetic, the black and the gold. You guys already know. And I also like velvet. Very nice. I love the way that this turned out. And then we have a side table or a table design. Now I have an entire video featuring some DIY table ideas coming out, so be on the lookout for that if it's not out already. Oh, wow. Really interesting way that they did the top of that. Very cool. That looks so high-end and professional. Alright, so we got this little side table. So they're going to add their own personal touch to this. Oh, I wonder how much that cost. Oh, wow. She really elevated that. Very nice. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like the video, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.